In this tutorial, we will learn about the programming statement else if statement. Else if statement allows us to execute a set of statement if the previous condition is false. Means multiple conditions. Okay. So we will understand it using two examples. First is enter your marks subject 1. Okay, this is an example. Example number 1678, line number 678. So print enter your marks. So system will ask input subject number 1. So this is a numeric variable. So program will start. It is a printing. First it will check if condition. If marks is subject 1 marks is greater than or equal to 75, then print distinction. If this condition is satisfied, then print distinction. Else if this is greater than 60, then print first division. Means if it is greater than 75, then it will print this distinction. Else it will greater than 60, then it will print first division. If else if sub marks is greater than 45, then print second division. And if this is and if this is and of this if. Okay. Example 2, enter a letter. This is a string variable. Print example 2. If we are inputting here, enter a letter. If this is A, then is vowel. If this is small e, I, O, U, means if variable string variable is equal to A, then print vowel. Similarly, else if this is equal to E, else if this is equal to I, else if this is equal to O or U, right? Then print vowel. Else if it is not equal to A or not equal to E or not equal to I or not equal to O or not equal to U. Let me use it I here. Then print consonant. Okay. So here we have used two example or used else if statement with this in this two example. Let's see how it works. So this is input. So program is asking subject number 1. So here is condition 75. Let me enter 85. So example 1, it is printed distinction, right? Enter a letter. If I enter A, it is vowel. Example 2, it is printed, right? It's over. Now we will execute it one more time. This time we will enter subject marks. Let's say 65. So it's a first division, right? Now, or let me copy this here and print this. So this time we enter marks 46. So it prints second division. Now I have draw a line here to separate this example 1 and example 2. Enter a letter. This is O. This is vowel, right? This time we will enter, let's say 30. Then it will not print anything because we have not given any condition. right? Enter a letter. This time I enter K, consonant, because it is failing this condition, or it is failing all these conditions and meeting this one, the last one, consonant, right? So this way we use else if statement in QB64. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much.